your destination, it is on your right.
Dito
Turn
na ako
left,
sa
then
garahe
you have
ngayon.
reached your destination, it is on your
Kararating ko lang
right.
galing Norway. Ito garahe namin, so kaya bubuksan muna natin yung gate kasi ano yan, digital switch. Ayan, bumukas na. Idadrop ko tong trailer ngayon dito. Nahila-hila ko galing ng Norway. Kasi papunta itong trailer to, papunta to na. Ang delivery to Italy. Ngayon pagka-drop ko nitong isang trailer na to, may pipick upin ulit ako dito. Bali, di-deliver ko siya sa Germany naman. Tatakbo pa rin ako ngayon kasi alauna pa ako matatapos. Alauna pa matatapos yung
At the end of the road, turn
working
left,
time.
Tulse Yawai. Then, you have reached your destination, it is on your right. Turn left, then, you have reached your destination, it is on your right.
Ayan, nakadrop na. Hanapin ko na lang yung isang trailer na hahatakin natin ngayon. DJ H046.